What could be better than having a sniper on your engine? A bigger sniper, of course. Check out Sniper Stealth 4500 EFI System. It's based on the same great design as its little brother, but features a larger Dominator style main body with a 4-bolt air cleaner flange, and it flows a massive 1440 CFMs. The large Dash 8 fuel inlets help feed the 8 100-pound-per-hour fuel injectors, which can easily support 800 to as much as 1500 horsepower naturally aspirated, or up to 1250 horsepower when used with forced induction applications. An external pressure regulator is required with this setup in order to maintain proper fuel pressures. It's still easy to install with its throttle body mounted ECU, and you only have to connect 4 wires to get you up and running. The full color, high resolution touchscreen makes the initial setup a breeze, and it also allows you to do advanced tuning. The touchscreen doubles as a gauge display so you can monitor engine parameters and sensors at a glance. You can even data log in real time, which can then be saved to the SD card without ever connecting a communication cable. But there's more than meets the eye. Sniper Stealth 4500 is packed full of advanced features to help you extract every ounce of horsepower from your engine. The Stealth 4500 features multiple input and output options to handle your external relays and switches. Choose from 3 programmable 0 to 5 volt sensor inputs to keep track of oil and fuel pressures, or to monitor more critical information like nitrous and dome pressures. You also have 6 programmable ground outputs and 5 programmable ground inputs available to you. Use the ground triggers to control external devices such as nitrous solenoids, boost control solenoids, or to provide your ECU with an input to activate specific functions like cooling fans or the circulation pump on your intercooler. Forced induction is no problem for the Sniper Stealth 4500. It can be used with draw-through or blow-through setups, and the built-in 2.5 bar map sensor monitors up to 21.5 psi, letting you know just how much boost you're producing. Planning on producing more boost than that? Not a problem. With the Sniper 4500, you have the option of configuring an external map sensor that's capable of 7 bar. Advanced boost control options allow you to choose from boost versus RPM or boost versus time curves, and also allows you to select a target launch boost pressure. It even offers the ability for you to program target air-fuel ratios in relation to boost levels. After configuring the advanced boost control, using our Sniper EFI PC software, you can make adjustments right from the handheld. Anyone using the Sniper 4500 on their race car will enjoy the programmable launch control via a 2-step, along with a timing retard option. Both features can be triggered with the use of a simple trans brake input. Oh, and we didn't forget about you nitrous levers either. We've incorporated a single-stage, pulse-width modulated progressive nitrous controller that's capable of controlling your nitrous and fuel solenoids. It's perfect whether you're running a wet or dry nitrous setup. Sniper Stealth 4500 comes with our integrated ignition timing control. It's not required for proper functioning of the fuel injection, but by enabling ignition timing control through our Sniper EFI, you'll have more precise control of your engine's timing. This is especially helpful for heavy boost or load conditions, and you'll also get the added benefit of improved idle characteristics. Timing control can be accomplished using one of our Hyperspark distributors, and it can also be used in conjunction with most any capacitive discharge ignition boxes. And if all those features weren't enough for you, we've dropped in a customizable secondary fuel pump output, which can be activated by throttle position, RPM, or even a boost signal. Sniper Stealth 4500 EFI System includes a genuine Bosch wideband oxygen sensor to provide real-time fuel map learning, and our no-weld O2 flange with stainless steel clamps make it simple to install. You'll also get a USB to CAN tuning cable that you can connect directly to your PC. And as always, you'll get access to Sniper EFI software, which can be downloaded for free directly from the Holley website. So whether you're converting your dragster over to EFI or just feeding a thirsty big block, look no further than Sniper Stealth 4500 for your next EFI system. Thanks for watching. For more information on Sniper Stealth 4500 EFI, visit our website at sniperefi.com.